So hi guys, how you all doing? Um Today we'll be looking at market structure. We'll be looking at market structure, how to read the markets. Do you understand? When we are doing top-down analysis from the daily time frame to the entry time frame, how we can actually see the structure of the structure of the market. That is very, 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 very important. So when we talk about market structure, when we talk about the market structure, there are three things that we are looking at. That is the direction of the market, how the market is moving, as in the direction at which the market is on whatever time frame, be it from the daily to the entry time frame. Your entry time frame can be your 1 hour, your 45 minutes, your 15 minutes, your 1 minute, so on and so forth. So when we are talking about market structure, we know that there is three types of market structure that we have. Number one, we have the bullish, we have the bullish, we have the bearish, we have the bearish, and we also have the ranging structure. We have the bullish structure, we have the bearish structure, and we have what? And we have the ranging structure. So this actually gives us an outlook on what the market is trying to do or what the market is heading to. Do you understand? Because when you are trying to do your top-down analysis, you need to understand where the market is actually heading to, the structure at which the market is forming. That will actually make other conferences that you have be on you get it will make other conferences that you have to be to be more structured. That is, if we are having a bullish structure which is moving this way to the upside, little retracement to the upside, little retracement to the upside. This is what we actually call a bullish structure. That is, the market currently is actually heading upward. That's what you want to see when you are about to do your analysis, when you're about to get information as to what structure the market is heading to right now. So it's very important that you actually have that information. And when we come to bullish structure, you know this is actually a high. This is a high. This is a high right now. Do you understand? This is a high, and this is what? This is a low right now. This is a low. Then when the market keep onwards pushing upward, that means this high here is higher than this previous high. So you call it what? Higher high. And this low here is higher than this previous low. So what we call it? We call it higher low. So that's how you keep on calling it what? Higher high, and what? You call it what? You call it higher low. You can see this is how you want to identify a bullish trend market structure. You want to understand, okay, what structure at which the market is moving, that it is heading to whatever time frame. Your bullish structure, whatever, can be gotten from any time frame, but you just always want to first have that first hand information as to where the market is heading to. Then when we have the bearish structure moves this way, move this way, moves this way, and move this way. Do you understand? So just like the bullish structure that we have, you can see the market is heading to the downside. You can see that is what the information that you want to get at first. And if you have here as what you have here as you have I'm coming, you have here as as a low, you have here as a low, and what you have here as as a high, or an high rather. So you know when it's already coming down, what are you going to be having? This high here is lower than this previous high. So what will you be calling it? You'll be calling it what? Higher low. Do you understand? And this low here is lower than lower than this low. So what will you call it? You'll be calling it what? You'll be calling it lower low. Can you see it? Then that is how it continues. Higher low, and we call it what? Lower low. That is how it continues that way. You can see how it is done. Your low, your high, your lower low, your higher low. That is how the market structure what for bearish is what is being read. And when it comes to the ranging range this way, having that same equal movement to the upside, to the downside, having without no break of structure. That is when you have a structure this way, you can see it. When you have a structure this way, you can see it. When you're having your structure this way, as it is coming to this supply zone here, it's also coming back to what to the demand zone, then vice versa, going back. This is what we call a ranging market. So you can see the three that we're having the bullish, we're having the bearish, and we're having the ranging. So when it comes to the bullish, always know that when you actually have a structure that the market is what is bullish, then your information or your decision making should be actually be focused on a bullish outlook. Then when your outlook is actually giving you a bearish movement, then what are you actually looking for? You're actually looking for what at the availability to sell. When the market is bullish, you look for what the availability to market is you look for what the availability to sell. And if the market is ranging, if you are a demand and supply trader, you should know that when it comes to this level, do you understand, you are buying, and when it comes to this upper level here, you are selling. Do you understand? So it's always good to understand what the market structure that you are having. Do you understand? So don't forget the information. When you are bullish, you are looking for opportunities to buy. When you are bearish, you are looking for opportunity to sell. Do you understand? And when you are ranging, you are actually knowing the level at which the market is going to reach before it has a reversal. So these are the three type of market structure that we have, which you need to understand when doing your analysis. So let us head to the charts right now. Let us head to the charts. As you can see, same way we have it, markets having this downward move, you can all see it having it, like you all know, market don't actually move in a straight line, it move in a zigzag manner. Do you understand? So, and what are you having here? This is USD card. So according to what we said here right now, if you check this range here, you can see, let us check this range here if we want to actually read what the market is doing. Do you understand? We can see that market has this last high here. Market has this high last year, right? There is a last high in this level here. You can see it. When market got to this level, it couldn't break out, right, to the upside. It couldn't break out. I'm coming. It couldn't break out to the upside. Do you understand? It couldn't break out to the upside and from this upward move. So this was the last high of this buy structure, of this upward structure. This is the last This is the last high of it. And what the market retraced to the downside, and later was still went up to that same equal high. Do you understand? And when it is already having that same equal high like that, and it's also reacting to the downward side, it's just trying to pinpoint that what that is. They want to be a change of structure. So let us read it from here. We can see that at this level here, what are we having? We are having a break of structure to the upside. You can see it. That is, if we check this place again, we are having we're having a break of structure, right, to the upside. So when you're actually in this range here, you should know that what are you looking for? You are looking for an opportunity to You are looking for opportunity to buy. When you're actually looking at it from this range up here, you see it from this range up here, what is it telling you? That is, the market was going to was going to an upward trend, so you're actually looking for an opportunity to buy. But when you now realize that the market structure has now changed in a form whereby market came here twice this level without breaking it, like I explained earlier. So you should know that what the market is trying to do is it's trying to change structure to to the downward side. right? And when you're having this last break of structure here, because market couldn't break this structure here, so this will be our last break of structure. So what will happen? You will realize that what the market changes what market changes structure to what to the downside. So this actually will be what will be called what change of character. Do you understand? This will be called what? This will be called the change of character. And if you check, the market pull back to market had a retracement. Do you understand? To this level here. But if you realize what it did, this was the previous high of this downward movement, but it did not break it to the what? It did not break it to the upside. Then what did it do? It just reacted to having a retracement, then coming down, then having that same retracement without breaking, without causing what a change of character. So you also what you also move with the flow. Then since this is a change of character, what will be this? This will be what? This will be your what? Your break of structure to the what? To the downside. This information of change of character is just letting you to know that okay, market has changed what? Has changed structure. Then this your break of structure is now pinpointing that okay, market keep on breaking what? Your lower low, keep on breaking your lower low, going to the downward, going to the downside. So this is actually what this is actually how what you read your market structure. You can see it here as well. It breaks structure what? It breaks structure to the downside. You can all see it. It breaks structure. What do we have here again? We have the last break of structure to this what? To this downside as well. Do you understand? And if you can see when we have this last break of structure again, okay, let me stop at that. So when you are actually in this trend, when you are actually in this downward trend this way, do you understand? What should all be at the back of your mind is what? Is to what? Is to sell. So let us say when we are having this last break of structure here, when we have a break of structure here, I'm coming, we have a break of structure here, right? So if you want to identify, so what you will need to keep doing is what you need to what keep start looking for what start looking for opportunity to what opportunity to sell. So you look at this area here. Where is the other block that causes this or this break of structure? The other block that causes this break of structure. This is the other block that causes this or this break of structure. This is the other block here that causes or that causes this break of structure. So you need to identify those kind of movements. Do you understand? So because of we are actually in this sale, what did I say earlier? I said your decision should be what should be for sales, right? So it's because of we were able to identify our market structure here, we were able to identify the movement of the market and where it is heading to. So what you just need to just do, and you know that you are looking for sales, right? So just place your entry. Do you understand? Your stop loss should be below the order block, which is the last candlestick wick that you're having there, which is this. Do you understand? So you can leave it around this level here. Then this should be your point of what? Your point of TP. That is the last word, the last low of what? Of the trend. So this should be this is 1 to 5.3 risk reward ratio. So you can see it just because of what we know that what we are actually looking for sales. Market has changed what? Market has changed direction from here, giving us a change of character. Then it continues to what? It continues to break structure to the what? To the downside. Do you understand? Because if we check here, we have another order block here. We have another order block here, but market did not come to this level here. So that one that should not what should not make you start feeling uneasy to want to what jump in on any sales without having confirmation. So because of that market did not come to this place, then keep on seeing how what market is reacting. Then what? Then you act towards what the market is doing. Then when market broke this structure, it created what? A reversal. Do you understand? A retracement rather. It created what? A retracement to what? To the upside. Then you since you've successfully marked out your order block, what are you just trying to do? Don't doubt it. Just what? Just place your what? You place your sell. Then you place your sell. Look for it all the way to what? All the way to TP. So that is how you read what? You read market structure. So I hope you understand how this market structure is being done. Do you understand? When you're in a bullish trend, we all look for just buys. When you're in a bearish trend, you all look for what? Just sells. Then when you're in a ranging market, you what? You look for what? You look for the immediate level at which what both your take profit will be and the reversal moment. But some traders just leave market when market is ranging. I myself, when market is ranging, I don't trade. Do you understand? I don't trade when market is ranging because at times the levels are at times confusing. So what I just trade is just sticking to what the buys and what and the sell, the bullish and the bearish market structure. Do you understand? So that is how you read what you read market structure. So I hope you understand, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Just comment, say things that you, if you have any question, go to the comment section and ask anything you want to ask. I will always answer. Do you understand? And I have a Telegram group that I share signal, so you can click the down box and check for the Telegram. And my Telegram is at Tayo Forex. My Instagram is at Tayo Forex, and my TikTok is at Tayo Forex. I always make live session every Sunday on TikTok, so you can go to TikTok and follow me on TikTok and see how I analyze the chart before market opens. So that can also give you more insight as to how it is done in real time. So just follow me on TikTok, go to Atayo Forex. There's always live session on Sunday every 7 p.m. every Sunday. So I hope you understand this market structure. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and so I'll be able to upload some. I'll be able to make some videos as well that will be of benefit to you. Thank you.